here in Goshen, Indiana, about 30 miles south of South Bend. You know, we're the home of Notre Dame. So I'm cruising the main drag, and I gotta check out this killer retro ride and the Southside Soda Shop that goes with it.
So you come back to something like this, and it's like going back home again.
They take what's old and make it new again.
Part soda shop dating from the 40s.
So you just have to kind of smush it down on the side.
And part diner.
Number 8 on white.
And what owners Nick and Charity Boyd are serving up here is a lot more than nostalgia.
Food's delicious.
How is it?
It's great.
Philly cheesesteak is just fantastic.
It's quite the workout. Now, is this how they do it in Philly?
This is, yes.
American cheese?
It's a Swiss American cheese. It's
Swiss American.
Gives it a little more of a bite. What's real important is not to break the hinge on the back of your
Not to break
bun.
the hinge. That's good, Nick. So I'm here in Indianapolis, also known as the Circle City. I always thought it was called the Circle City because of the racetrack. That might be the Oval City. Anyhow, the Circle City because right around the corner there's this big circle, and there's a huge monument, and it's recognized as the fallen soldiers and sailors. But it's also because Indianapolis is the most centrally located capital out of all of the states in the country. All right, we done with the history and geography lesson? Let's talk about where we're going. It's a sandwich shop where a guy went to Italy, came back and said, I want to make sandwiches and bread and do things my way. This is Sabito.
Chicken pot pie and a Revelo for Megan, please.
I love it because it's that perfect hole-in-the-wall restaurant.
Fire and Cuban.
They make amazing sandwiches, they make amazing soups. Also, just amazing humans work here.
What's your favorite sandwich?
Oh, the Revelo.
Gotta try it.
2 Revelos walking in, please. Slow roasted pork and jalapenos, fresh off the press.
So same dough that we had before, going into the Pullman loaf.
Yep. Squish it out.
Did they say that in the books?
That wasn't in the book. No.
That was you just added that?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 proof, about an hour and a half.
That's it. And then we're gonna bake in this also.
Yes.
What are we into?
Our mojo marinade.
Hit it.
Orange juice, lime juice, brown sugar, salt, cracked black pepper, cumin, Mexican oregano,
And garlic.
After the mojo marinade is ready, we're gonna add onion to our pork shoulder. We're adding onions to our container, and then we will put the pork shoulder on top of the onions.
A lot of interesting steps.
Mojo marinade,
That, the water in 24 hours.
that's it. It's gonna roast 45 minutes at 550.
Okay,
and
put a nice crust on
90
it.
minutes at about 225. Let it cool and slice it. Add the mojo marinade back to this after we slice it.
All right, what else goes with the sandwich?
Pickled jalapenos, vinegar and water.
Salt and sugar, fresh garlic. Once that comes up to a simmer, pour it over the top, and by tomorrow, those will be ready.
Cover it 24 hours.
Got it.
Now we're gonna build this sandwich.
Whew. Knock somebody out with that.
Roasted garlic aioli, cilantro.
Healthy amount of jalapeno.
These are the onions that we're cooking
Got it.
with that pork shoulder. Swiss cheese, pork shoulder. Flip it up.
Butter on the bread, go to the panini press.
#1 seller.
The number one. The only thing that sandwich lacks is nothing. That is like more flavor between 2 slices of bread than I think the average human can handle. There is a lot going on there. Jalapenos aren't screaming hot by any means, but they're there. A little bit of cheese. The crunch on the outside of it is fantastic.
Yeah.
The pork is uber tender. That is a very creative, balanced sandwich. It's dynamite.
Here's your Revelo.
The sweetness of the onion and the spiciness of the jalapenos just balance each other out.
It all absorbs into the sourdough.
All of the ingredients are just perfect.
Back in 2012, I was cruising down 16th, coming from Indianapolis, headed to the International Motor Speedway to drive the pace car for the Indy 500. It was awesome. Anyhow, I'm just like you. I'm on my way to the big concert, the big sporting event, the big race. I'm gonna look to get something to eat before I get there. Wish I'd known about this place. They're doing artisan food with an Argentinian twist. This is Chechori.
Poneme chimichurri en un contenedor.
Chechori is like eating in Argentina. It's like my mom's food.
2 more minutes here, Leila, and the empanadas.
You drove an hour to get here?
Yeah, it's that good.
Flavorful, fresh, and filling.
Wait a second. Don't start with triple F, all right?
Flippin' bondi pans.
Marcus is a great ambassador in the state of Indiana for Argentinians.
Even though that's not exactly what Marcos Pereira had planned when he came here.
A job opportunity came up here in Indiana to do popcorn export.
How did the restaurant come about, from popcorn to this?
I couldn't find Argentinian chorizo. Why not start making my own?
And how do you serve it here?
With the bread, with the chimichurri.
Choripán, ready to go.
So we're making chorizo.
Yes, here we have the cubed up pork butt, kosher salt, granulated garlic, coriander, chili, white pepper, Argentinian oregano, sugar, and then the white wine. I pre-mix it before grinding it.
Well, if you're gonna grind, you might as well get after it.
Fire this up.
That's getting after it. And what are we gonna case this in?
It's pork casing.
Can he get the casing on the metal tube before the plunger goes down? It's a culinary challenge every minute. Stay tuned. Look at this, guy's a pro. Twist these off. What's his threading this through? It's like my buddy that's a contractor, the way he rolls up his extension cord.
Keeps it tight together.
So we took the pork and made it into an octopus. These are gonna rest for 24 hours. Then we're gonna par bake it.
300 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, Argentina chimichurri, Italian parsley, oregano, chopped garlic, kosher salt, Goya pepper, sugar, corn oil.
Rest for 24 hours.
And then it's ready to be served. Now we're gonna make our choripán sandwich.
Par baked chorizo.
Butterfly it, put a little bit of oil, and then the bread, the lettuce, tomato, seared chorizo, chimichurri, bread, and here you go.
Nice light bun. You can tell it's got good texture to it. Perfectly seasoned. The size of the grind on the sausage, great. It gives you something to chew, something to experience. Delicious chimichurri. I mean, 10 of them to go in a heartbeat.
3 choripáns coming out.
It's just awesome.
That chorizo, it's not spicy at all.
That chimichurri sauce, it makes it really exceptional.
I don't know another place to get a sandwich like that.
Got your choripán?
Thank you.
So I'm here on the snowy east side of Indianapolis, about 15 minutes from downtown, to check out a mom and pop joint. Oh yeah, this has got a great story. Let's see, she was in HR. He was selling radio, and while he was doing that, he was going to night school for culinary. Well, they took a bunch of family recipes, put it all together. Hope you like soul food. This is his place.
Got a smoked meatloaf, green beans, mashed potatoes, and gravy in the window.
I really love this place.
The food is just so astonishingly made with love.
I need some more brisket on the line.
They have a full-scale barbecue menu, a full-scale soul food menu, just about everything under the sun here.
But the road to turning this place into his place involved a bit of a detour for Chef James Jones and his wife, Shawn.
I was in corporate HR.
So...
Never had any interest in being in the restaurant business at all.
Not at all. I worked in corporate America as well, and then I just decided to go to culinary school, and I had the opportunity to buy a restaurant, and we wanted to kind of take soul food and barbecue and put a chef's hat on it.
So what are we cooking today?
Minnie Sue's chicken and dumplings.
The best gift that my husband gave to me was sitting down with my grandmother and documenting that recipe.
You are the team.
Grandma Minnie Sue's chicken and dumplings in the window.
The chicken and dumplings, it's truly comfort food.
Reminds me of something my mother would make.
All right, what are we into?
Minnie Sue's chicken and dumplings. We're
Let's
gonna
go.
start with the broth. Skinless chicken thighs, celery.
This is how Minnie Sue did it.
Yeah, I had to take it back to her 8 times before I got it right.
Really?
Yes. Celery salt, chicken base, bunch of water. 2.5 hours to cook that. Strain it, pull the chicken.
Got it. Next up?
Now we're gonna make the soup base. Butter, a lot of flour, broth.
The initial broth that came from the chicken thighs.
Chicken base, celery salt, garlic powder, onion powder, some milk in there.
This is gonna cook down, come together.
We're gonna strain this to make sure it's smooth, and they'll be ready for our chicken and dumplings.
Make it happen, Captain.
So now we're gonna make some dumplings. Flour, salt, eggs, shortening.
And a little water.
Mix by hand. Take a portion of this, knead it a couple times on the board. We're gonna roll these pretty thin, cut our dough. Now we have that broth that we made earlier.
He's my brother.
Chicken base, black pepper.
Wow, all that, huh?
Gonna give it a nice punch. Soup base, celery.
No onions and no carrots?
No onions, no carrots.
Huh, it's Minnie Sue's recipe.
Now we're gonna bring this to a boil. Drop the dumplings one by one, and you have to drop it into a boiling spot.
This is how this whole thing works.
This is how this works. I guess we could do it.
Oh, look at you, breaking the rules.
Cook these until the dumplings start to drop. Kill the heat, add in the shredded chicken. Comes with 2 sides.
I'll have the cabbage, mac and cheese. And this is how it comes.
That's how it comes.
Is this a normal spoon?
Yes.
What is it, diet spoon?
We want you to savor it.
Well, you're not gonna miss there's chicken in there. And that is a lot of dumpling. That's a cross between a pasta dish, chicken gravy, and chicken and dumplings.
All right.
Talk about comfort food on a snowy day like today. If I was at Minnie Sue's house and that's what she served me, I'd be sitting on that back porch like a cat, just begging.
Chicken and dumplings.
Oh my goodness, it's one of my favorites.
Just the texture of it, it's balanced. It's perfect every time.
This is just chicken and dumplings.
That's right.
Delicious.
So I'm here in the Inglewood neighborhood of Indianapolis, and I've got a great story for you. All right, young chef from Mexico lived in that building right there, and she went to the Inglewood Community Development Corporation and said, listen, there's an abandoned building right over there that my dad and I would love to put a little tamale shop in. They have built a following. They are doing tamales, tacos, you name it. Everybody loves it. This is Tlaole.
Quesadillas up.
It's a different way to experience Mexican food.
Pork asado. Your mind's blown. You're like, what is this?
One ACDC torta.
How do you say it in the first place?
Everybody says it differently.
I say it's the house that Carlos Hutchison built with the help of his local community and daughter Carla, who's now a culinary instructor in Los Angeles.
Vegan birria tacos.
They've got the best vegan tacos in town.
You never miss or even realize that you're not eating meat.
Birria typically is made with goat.
In place of the goat, we use jackfruit.
Jackfruit. So first thing we're gonna start off.
Chili paste salsa, Roma tomatoes, oil,
Onions and garlic.
oregano, cumin, bay leaf, thyme, marjoram, water. Cook everything, and then we add the chilies.
We have
ancho,
guajillo,
and puya.
Hit it with the immersion blender for a long time.
This is vinegar.
Got it.
Jackfruit, paprika.
Because if that was cayenne, I was gonna be scared.
Onion powder, marjoram, salt, oregano, garlic powder, bay leaf, and rosemary.
You can smell that from here.
Cumin, thyme.
So this is the house paste.
Yes.
Delicious.
Mix it.
The oil going in
Yes.
too?
Cook it for 30 minutes in total.
Roasted plantains?
Yes. Onion powder, salt, white pepper, guajillo powder.
So this gets mixed with the jackfruit.
Yes, little bit of chili paste. Put it in the oven 15 minutes.
The party continues.
Prepare the mushroom.
So you got oyster mushrooms and the white button.
Oil with onions and garlic.
This guy's going next level. Now we're gonna roast this off.
15 minutes. Combine our mushroom with the jackfruit, chili paste, and birria is done.
All right, so the last thing we're gonna make?
The consomme, whole tomatoes, onion, garlic, and jalapeno. The chili paste that we
made earlier.
Tomato paste, cinnamon, and clove.
Okay.
Salt, bacon broth.
Got it.
Cumin.
What's in the sachet?
Marjoram, bay leaf, and thyme.
We'll cook that down, take that out, and then puree that.
Correct. We're gonna make our birria tacos. The tortillas, canola oil, guajillo powder.
But he really thinks through all this. Vegan cheese, look at that.
A little bit of pico. Turn it like this and present it. And put a little bit of lime on it.
I'm speechless. That's better than 80% of the birria tacos I've had. There is so much flavor, so many great textures. The mushroom is the winner. The consomme dip, a 10. I don't say that very often, but that's a 10.
Thank you so much. Vegan birria.
Have you had birria tacos before?
They're one of my favorites.
You've had it with meat and you've had it with jackfruit.
I prefer these.
The crispiness on the outside of the shell, and then like the softness on the inside.
On a 1 to 10 scale,
Above 10.
Carlos gets it.
100%.
Tortas!
I come like at least once a week now. I can't stop coming.
Not a normal person sees this. You were born a chef. Congratulations. I'm here in Indianapolis, just a couple miles from the famous Motor Speedway, to check out a joint that's cooking up one of my favorite foods in mass quantity. I mean, they're making over 3,000 of these a week. That's over 150,000 a year. What do you think it is? Exactly what you expect to find in Indianapolis, tamales at the tamale place. Masa, that's dough made from corn.
The key ingredient to any great tamale, and we make fresh masa here.
The way Vladimir learned to do it from his father. Raw corn, dried. This is to grind it up to make the masa, but first, what do we gotta do?
Just gonna put the lime there.
The lime in the boiling water.
Then the corn.
And how long is this gonna boil? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Then it's cooled?
We'll have to wait 12 hours. Now it's ready to be rinsed.
Get the skin off of it. There we go. The skin's off, and now into the grinder. Yeah, nice. Hit it. So what he's doing is he's trying to get the right grind. Look at that. Fresh masa. That is killer. Now you take the masa.
We divide it in 10 pound portions. For the tamales, for the beef and red.
Got it. This is gonna make the shredded beef for the tamale.
Yeah.
Look at the pot. It's like a little mini hot tub.
Onion, garlic. I'm gonna do the meat. You got it?
Yeah. Go for a 3-pointer next.
More onions, some more garlic, salt, and then some water.
So this is gonna go for about 3 hours?
That's right.
Okay, brother. I like this. This is all the basis of the chili sauce.
Ancho, guajillos.
Pasilla, and then the puya.
Now we add water.
Let them steep.
Soak overnight.
Rehydrate. Nice and soft. Look at this. flesh comes off. Oh, that's it, baby. Throw them in the blender.
Salt.
A little bit of water. They puree real nice.
That's right.
So we've got the pureed chilies with a little bit of water. Now it's time to make the red sauce.
Garlic, onion, black pepper, ground cloves.
Okay.
Salt, tomatoes, water.
And that's it?
We blend it.
Now the tomato mixture's done.
Now we put some of these pure chilies into this one right here.
All that to cook the beef.
That's right.
A lot of work, man. So we got all the beef shredded apart, cool it down. What are we up to now?
We're gonna fry it a little bit on oil, you know, onions. Burn it a little bit.
Flavor the oil, right?
That's right.
Gotta take the onion out.
Now we're dropping the meat in there.
All this meat's gonna go in. Gets a little bit of a fry. Now some of the red sauce we made, 8 gallons. Smells awesome. Okay, so how much longer is this gonna cook?
15 minutes.
Then we take it to the masa. He's the bossa of the masa. So the masa, balled up and ready to go.
We gotta separate. We'll do the oil first.
Kind of creams up the masa.
Salt, baking powder.
That's what makes them nice and light and airy, not super dense and hard. Okay.
Now we mix it.
How many tamales will this make?
70 tamales.
About 70?
We add some red salsa.
Okay, so we mix all this up, and then we start building tamales.
That's right.
Got it. So we got the husks that have been soaked in the water, so they're nice and pliable. Nice big fat ones, too.
Some oil.
So it doesn't stick.
Put some masa.
Okay.
Some salsa.
Oh, it's gonna be nice and moist.
And some meat.
That's generous, baby. I hate when it's so much masa and just a little bit of meat.
Roll the tamal, fold it up, some thyme, a little bit of salsa.
And a little bit more in there.
Yeah, there we go.
And then we're gonna stand all those up in the steamer, start it from cold, stack them up, 35, 40 minutes, then they're done.
That's right, beef and bread.
All right, the size of this. Oh, it's huge, man. The masa's got really nice flavor to it.
Meatball Sub.
It's a good, genuine Italian meatball sandwich.
Begin to make some meatballs.
All right, we start with veal.
Ground chuck.
Some sweet Italian sausage.
3 meats at a burger joint, too.
Eggs, breadcrumbs. We grind these from French baguettes ourselves.
I love it. Fresh basil.
Minced garlic, oregano.
Minced onions.
Parmesan cheese, pepper, salt, milk.
This is like Meatball 101.
It's all here.
Go for it.
Roll that together. Let's make meatballs.
You gonna weigh them out?
No, we just kind of eyeball them.
That's a big one. That's a racquetball. So you put them on the tray, cook them off at 350.
Right.
Let them brown up. So now we're making the marinara for the meatball.
Yes. We take our Roma tomatoes.
Oiled, peeled, seeded.
Pour it into the pot.
Whoa! I was there for you every step of the way.
See that?
Just gonna let those tomatoes cook down for an hour.
Exactly.
Okay?
Now we're gonna saute onions, anchovies.
That's a new one. A whole mess of garlic. Like that. Let that all cook down.
That goes straight into the tomato sauce. Now we'll let this simmer for an hour and a half.
What's the final step?
Fresh herbs, oregano, parsley.
Mess of basil.
Salt and pepper. Then we stir it up. Then we add a can of tomato sauce.
Hit it with the immersion blender. We gotta get you a bigger one of those.
Yeah, I need a bigger boat. We let it simmer for about a half hour. Add Parmesan cheese.
That's some Parmesan. Everything's good to go.
Yeah, we're gonna warm the meatballs up.
Reheat them on the flat top.
Right. While those are cooking, take our bread.
Put the marinara.
Lots of cheese.
Throw that under the salamander.
Cheese is melted.
Yeah. Look at those. That's a big portion. A little marinara
on top there.
Guess what? Hot. Oh, I got to cut it. Look at that. That's real good meatball sandwich. What's your last name?
Care.
O'Carleone?
Yeah, Leone.
O'Carleone. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. So this meatball, nice and tender. The marinara is on point, especially the fresh herbs. Wild garlic. Touch of that anchovy in there. Nice job, man.
Meatball Sub.
I love these sandwiches. Good marinara sauce.
It's delicious. Very cheesy.